We just bought a house.
Welcome back to part 2 of our moving vlog. The last video ended with us finding out we didn't get our first house that we put an offer on. And we had talked about how there was another house that we were just gonna pivot to because we loved it equally. But when it became our number one option, it really started to feel like a backup option. So ultimately we just decided to start our search over. So that Friday, I found this house that had literally just gone on the market that same day. So I went to check it out with our realtor and it was pretty perfect. So when Zach got off work, we went to look at it again, both loved it, and decided to put an offer in. Then on Monday, we found out it was ours, and that's pretty much where this video picks up.
We just bought a house.
What?
What
we just
the
bought
heck?
a house. We just bought a house. Well, we just signed
We signed the paper.
the paperwork.
But that means we are buying a house.
Yeah. A little celebratory in and out.
Today is April 2nd, 2023, and today is the day that we officially bought our first house.
A little celebratory champagne. Anticlimactic pop.
No pop, this is a twist top. But
We just have a mini bottle. We don't need to go crazy.
we just wanted a sip to celebrate.
Cheers.
Cheers.
On the way to the airport, Zach's dropping me off. I'm going back to North Carolina. He's got to stay here and work.
Sad.
But I get to see the kitties. And then next time I'm back, we'll be moving into our house.
Whoa.
I miss you.
Miss you too.
I'm back in North Carolina. Got my little kitties wherever they are. Oh. They are very happy to see me. Anyway, yeah. Part 1 of the move is done. Now I'm back. Gotta start packing this place up and drive everything out to Dallas. Packing is in full swing and Zach's still in Dallas, so it's just me and the cats, who are absolutely zero help. They just like to climb on the boxes, jump in them, attack them, so that's fun. Anyway, the pod gets here in a few days, so I have to have everything packed up and ready to go for the movers, and then that'll ship, and it takes like a week and a half to get to our house in Dallas. And yeah, I guess I'll be living pretty minimally for the next little bit, so we'll see how that goes. Yeah, insert packing montage here.
Like where you are. I like everything about you. Everything about you.
I'm about to tackle packing my closet, and it is a hot mess because I've just been throwing stuff in it since I knew I was just gonna box that all up, so please don't judge.
I like everything about you.
Finished packing. Finally, it is done, and the movers get here tomorrow to load it up, and I could not be happier. Pod has been delivered. finished loading the pod, and that took so much longer than I thought it was gonna take. They estimated 2 to 3 hours, and it took us almost like 5 or 6 hours, which half of the problem is because the movers did not come prepared at all. They didn't even have a dolly. I'm just so tired. I think I'm gonna make a drink. See you in Texas. Apartment's empty and really echoey. And I really need to sweep now because there's like cat hair and toys that was under all the furniture. So my day of hard labor is not over yet. This is my sleeping situation for tonight because I'm too lazy to set up the air mattress. And honestly, I think the floor might be more comfortable. I do have a bed over at my parents', but I don't want to leave the cats by themselves, so they can sleep in their little crates or with me on the floor. Tomorrow we close on our house. We'll officially be homeowners, which is freaking crazy and exciting. And honestly, I'm just ready for all of this to be done and official. We have it all set up so that I don't have to be there. Obviously, I'm in North Carolina, so I can't be in Texas to sign everything. So Zach's handling all that. It's exciting. This week has just been chaotic and exhausting and definitely moments of stress. But I feel like there's like a light at the end of the tunnel of all this. So can't wait to have a little virtual champagne toast with Zach tomorrow night. So there's no audio for this because I just did a screen recording of us FaceTiming, but we officially got the keys and had to take a minute to celebrate. Let's just take a second to see me struggling to get this champagne bottle open. Any minute now. Oh, and we got it. Anyway, it was so great to be able to have this moment of celebration together, even though we couldn't physically be together. So cheers to officially becoming homeowners. Leaving in the next like hour, so this could be like take number 2 for me to get to Texas. My dad and I are driving almost like 75% of the way there today, so that tomorrow we have a much shorter ride, just a little bit easier with the cats. So yeah, wish us luck with that. I'm just ready to get there and get settled in, see Zach, enjoy our house. We just stopped for lunch and we're probably about halfway there. We've got about 7 hours to go and it's been pretty rainy. The cats had a rough start. They both had accidents in their cages within like the first half hour. So we had to pull over and clean that up, but everything's good now. They're calm, they've been sleeping and just chilling in their crates back here. So yeah, quite a bit more driving to go. They're so happy to be out and about. They're a little anxious. Haven't totally started eating yet. Hey, buddy. Hi, girlfriend. Hey. Day 2, last day. Cats did actually really good in the hotel last night. They slept all night, which was amazing. My dad and I are gonna grab Starbucks and then hit the road. We've only got 6 hours today, so much better than the 15 hours yesterday. We got the boxes moved in.
Everything's here.
Finally, only took freaking how many hours for the movers to get here?
A billion. But they did a good job.
They did. We have officially been in our house for a little over a week now, and so far everything has been great. So we've pretty much gotten everything unpacked, but definitely a lot of organizing to do, which is just gonna take some time to figure out where we want everything to go and yada, yada, yada. But yeah, my parents were here, which was a huge help getting just like unpacked, curtains hung, little things done around the house, tips since we're new homeowners. Just really thankful that they were able to be here and help us. But yeah, that's kind of the update. Maybe I'll do a house tour at some point, who knows. If you just check out my Instagram, honestly, that's probably the best place to go because I'll definitely be sharing some photos as we get settled in even more. But yeah, thanks for watching. Give this a like, don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned to see what happens next.